Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by proving ownership. ADT requires verification before any master code change. Gather your account number, a photo ID, and a recent billing statement. Once done, make sure you know the installed system model and whether it is under contract. This affects available support options. Don't try to bypass panels or perform unknown resets because that can trigger alarms or legal issues. Instead, prepare to contact ADT or your authorized installer with the documentation in hand so they can act on your behalf. Next, contact ADT through their verified channels and request an authenticated master code update. Explain why you need the change and be ready to complete identity checks. This prevents unauthorized alterations. Once approved, ADT will either issue a remote update or dispatch a certified technician. Make sure you schedule a convenient time and confirm any service fees. By following official channels, you maintain system integrity and warranty coverage, and you reduce the risk of false alarms or system lockouts that occur when untrained people. Finally, complete the change under ADT supervision and verify the new master code functions across all devices. Check keypad responses, mobile app access, and authorized user lists. Once verified, update account recovery contacts and any shared access credentials. If something goes wrong, such as unexpected lockouts or error messages, stop and document what happened, then escalate to ADT support rather than attempting further resets yourself. This preserves evidence, prevents accidental disablement, and ensures any troubleshooting follows safe, authorized procedures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.